Okay, so I just wanted to give you a chance to see sort of the before and after, but I only just now realized that I wanted to pull out my camera device, my phone with the camera in it, in order to show you how to make the meal that we're making after I loaded it into the oven. So anyway, I'm trying to sort of give you a before and after. So I'm gonna briefly look to show you. But this is what it sort of should look like before. And as you can see, I loaded it with cheeses, multiple cheeses. But let it, we're gonna, now, okay, so this is cocktail sauce. It came with the shrimp that I got from the local grocery store. We're actually not gonna put that in there because, well, if you ask me, it doesn't need cocktail sauce. But I'll tell you what I did. I put um, noodles, okay, so pasta noodles, and on my journey looking for pasta noodles, there was a whole bunch of different kinds of noodles. So don't be surprised when you finally visit the grocery store looking for pasta, you're going to have a bunch of options of what noodles you want to use. So me, I take the ones that sort of look like the most fun. But I'll show you in the after. The probably just be a picture, like a still shot, instead of a video recording, because it's going to take probably about a good half an hour, depending on how hot our oven is. This is my first time using this particular one, but we've got multiple ovens in our kitchen in this particular building, so depending on how long it takes for it to bake. I set it for 30 minutes though, and I'll check to see how it looks to me after that. But I loaded it with pasta noodles. Then you soak the pasta noodles because you want them to soften. So you want to use water. Now it seems like I didn't get a chance to actually double check with my staff about the water problem. We have been having some leakage, so I actually went to our friendly local corner store, and he was able to sell us some gallons of water. So I put fresh spring water in there so the noodles they'll soften. And then I tomato paste. Diced tomatoes make like a tomato paste. So you're going to want to get lots of cans of tomato paste. I mean, assuming that you don't want your noodles to be too like bland, flavorless. So the more tomato paste you put, they'll taste more like tomatoey and possibly salty. I also put some collard greens and spinach in along with it, uh, chicken meat and shrimp, as I showed you before. Make sure when you put the shrimp that you make sure that the shrimp is cooked all the way, and also depending on the way your shrimp is before you actually bake it, you might have to remove the shells, um, and also possibly remove the head of the shrimp, the feelers and like that, depending on how your shrimp is before you actually add it to your pasta. Then covered it with more cheese. In my opinion, when I was growing up, cheese was always a winner. Um, Even if you get like when I was little, even if you had like pizza, as long as there was lots of cheese on it, even if the bread didn't taste right, cheese was always usually a winner. So I put a whole lot of mozzarella cheese. Then I went and decided, hey, what about if you still put mix with different cheese? So I also put a blend of three different cheeses: Monterey Jack, Colby, and cheddar cheese. Okay, so there's four different cheeses all together mixed in. But mozzarella as well, because um, the, the cheese it helps the pasta to sort of to not fall apart. Um, so when you're done baking it, it should sort of look similar to like a macaroni and cheese as far as the texture, but it should sort of, because it's cheese and vegetable together, but it should look so very red, much more red because of the pasta, the tomato sauce that we put in the pasta. Remember I said I put lots of cans of tomato sauce, diced tomatoes. Um, then, like I said, I put it in the oven to bake. I showed you the before. I'll show you the after when I post it online. It'll probably be a photo, not a video recording, so that you'll see what it looks like after you're done baking. But then that is going to be my gift to the staff. We're having like a special. We're having something where we get together and everybody brings a dish or a part of the smorgasbord, the feast that we're having together. So I'll make sure that online I post so that you can see, and also I'll try to get, like maybe I can jot down some of the ingredients for you again later, just in case you didn't get them all during the video that I mentioned to you, so that you'll be able to make it for yourself at home. And it was not too expensive. The items that I got from the local grocery store, you can get them as well. Okay, so be blessed, have a great day, and until next time, peace. Bye.